Hi, my name is Lauren, and today I'd like to talk to you about the difference between menstrual or period pads and incontinence pads, or pads that you might want to use when you're having some pee leaking. And so there are four main reasons why you might want to use an incontinence pad over a period pad when you're having some incontinence, some pee leaking. And so the first one is absorbency. And so if we think about how our body releases menstrual blood, which is probably a little bit slower and it's a bit thicker than urine, which might come out pretty quickly and maybe in larger quantities, especially if we're having some leaking when we're coughing, laughing, sneezing. So an incontinence pad has better absorbency for the liquid and the amount that it's supposed to absorb. So incontinence pads are usually made of what they call a super absorbent polymer, and that ends up being sort of like a gel-like substance when it gets wet. And it can be 300% more absorbent than period pads. And so that's a huge advantage, especially if you're out and about and you sneeze and have some incontinence. Comfort is the second one. And the reason for this is because of this super absorbent polymer that sucks in the liquid. It's more comfortable than if you were to wet a period pad, which isn't designed to have such thin liquid. And so it helps draw the moisture away from your body, and that can make it more comfortable, especially if you can't change it right away after a larger leak. Odor control is something else that incontinence pads have over menstrual pads. And so they can help trap in the odor a little bit because urine can smell a little bit different than blood or menstrual tissue. And then the last one is skin protection. So skin protection means that the incontinence pad brings away the moisture from your skin and helps prevent skin breakdown, especially if we can't change the pad right away. And that can help our skin feel a little bit better in the long run, especially if we're managing some incontinence that's a little bit beyond our control. Thank you.